Welcome back, DIYers. In today's video, we're going to check out this PowerSmart mower, so let's dive in. To get us started, I want to do a little unboxing to show you everything that comes with it. I will have a link and a discount code down below if you're interested in this item as well. I do like it. It has a little bag option for, if you're going to bag all of your grass. I also like how small it is right there, so when you break it back down, it will fit nice and neat in a small area, whether in your garage or in your shop or whatever that might be. Then it has a couple little pieces right here that you can tighten up, and that's what's going to make sure that your poles stay tight at all times. And again, that's super easy to do, just to break it down. Then you're going to go ahead and put it up however high you want it. You can have these little screws right here. This is actually what holds it up, so while again you're going to keep it up and while you're using it. Then you want to make sure you take off the cover for all of your items, whether that be your gas tank, and then also want to show you all your oil and everything like that. And then it has even a little spark plug checker and a couple of little caps. I'll show you guys what they're going to hold onto for your cords here in a second. Then you'll take the cover off of your gas cap, go ahead and make sure that is tight and threaded correctly. Make sure it's again on there nice and secure. It doesn't have any gas or oil in it while it was shipped. Then you can do the same thing right here with your little pull to start option. And then I do like how it has the easily adjustable height right here. So if you want to cut it low, or if you want to go ahead and cut it high, you can do that. Then you want to also just inspect everything, make sure everything's nice and tight. It does have two of these options up top. One is to help you get started. So again, you'll hold this to start, and then the other one is to actually engage the blade. You do need to put oil in here. So again, they don't have any type of oil or anything in there, so you want to make sure you use the oil that they have here with it. You'll put just all of it in there because again, it's a pretty large container, and it actually will take a little bit more oil than this, but you can go ahead, fill it up with all the oil in here. I do like it comes with this nice little funnel, super easy to use right there with that as well. But they will make sure this is all in here, and then you'll also fill it up with gas here in just a moment as well. You can also check, again, if you want to check the oil, just to make sure that the level is correct, there's no leaks or any kind of thing like that. Probably the safest thing, that way your mower will last a little bit longer. And again, it will be safer and nice and ready to roll. Then they have two little clips which you can use to actually clip on these cords right here. This way the cords aren't going to be kind of flowing out there, but they'll be nice and tight to the main pole. And they also have a couple different options for this. You have three different options. You have just the regular mulching option. You can put that piece back in. You can use this bagging option, or you can even use the discharge option as well. So whichever one you want to use for your yard, whatever you might need. It's pretty nice because it has all those different features, and it has the nice protective flap right there, so it's going to make sure that whatever you're doing, it's going to be protected and stay inside of this little area. So nice and neat for that one. And then it was nice because it started right up on the first pull, which was really easy to use. Just went ahead and started this up, and it got going. It's nice because you can put the pull cord right there on a little hook, and you are ready to roll, whether you're gonna again mulch or bag it up, whatever you can use. I would let it run just a little bit, let it run out some of smoke before you get started here. Then all you have to do again is just crank it right up and get going, which is really nice and easy to use. We used this, as you can see, cutting our grass right here. I used it and so did my son. And we were actually surprised at how strong it was pulling. It had a strong pull, which is really nice, especially if you're going to be doing a large yard, or if you're going to be, again, having to go up hills like I have right here in my yard. It's nice to have that because it does help out a ton once you're trying to get up there. But this first couple rows, I am trying to use the bagging option. I want to show you guys how much of the grass and every kind of thing it will get right in here. But overall, it felt pretty strong. It felt really good, and it was really easy and fluid and smooth, which is really nice. It's great for, again, a mower. And as you can see right here, easy to take this bag off. It stayed on there, which was nice. And you can kind of see all the clippings and everything that it did produce. I went ahead and grabbed this, went ahead and threw it into the woods. Then I put the top back in. So now we're going to be able to just do the mulching, which is what I normally do. And again, a pretty easy startup. And now we're going to try it again. A couple more rounds of the mulching option. And like I said, overall, it was really nice because it started up really well. It's pretty strong. I would like for it to go just a tad bit faster. I wish I could make it go a little bit faster so I could walk a little bit quicker behind it and make it happen. But overall, it still felt really good, and it also cut really well as well. My son likes it, and I like it, so definitely going to be one that we're going to be using. I like the double handles back there. Also, the nice 22-inch steel metal frame is definitely going to help when you're cutting and you got a lot of things that are going to be banging into it, and rough yards and sticks and even other things like that, which is really nice. So overall, I definitely think this is a great option. It's super heavy duty. It's going to last you a pretty good while. And I like that it started up on the first pull every time so far, which has been really nice. I think if you're looking for some type of push lawnmower for your yard, this is definitely one I recommend. Like I said, feels good, cranks up, and it works really well. I think it's also pretty heavy duty, so definitely a great one. I will have a link for this item down below if you're interested in that. Also, if this video was helpful, you can let me know that. You can leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.